Hello, today I'm come up with a new project. Is that installing Kali Linux in Raspberry Pi 4. I am going to install the latest version of Kali Linux in our Raspberry Pi 4. For that, let's check the specification of Raspberry Pi. Actually, the Raspberry Pi has got the quad-core CPU, which support the 62-bit system with 1.5 GHz speed, and which also has got the different models having a different amount of RAM. Today I'm going to use 4 GB system. It has also got the 4 GHz, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz of Gigabit Ethernet, which is very good for networking as well. And best of all, is quite okay. For to install Kali Linux in a Raspberry Pi, we need a Raspberry Pi image. I mean Kali Linux image in a Raspberry Pi. So let's check for that. Let's search for it. Today I am going to offensivesecurity.com. Is one of the very good website for the security practitioner, and we found a different version of Kali Linux image, and it has got the Kali Linux image for different types of Raspberry Pi model. Today we have got Raspberry Pi version 4, and it is 1.9 gigabyte, and we can download a torrent from this torrent file. And I have already downloaded the torrent file for this, and we can save it. Then we get the file. For to download the torrent, I have using the web torrent application, which helped me to download the torrent, and it's downloading. But I have already got the image, so I don't need to download now. After getting the image, this is my image. After getting the image, we need to flash this image in a SD card, which we can use it for Raspberry Pi. So to flash the image, we are using another software called Balena Etcher. It's one of the good flashing software for different iOS and other image to a pen drive or flash drive. Here it's showing that it's fetching the new release of Balena Etcher, and I have already downloaded this file. I will put the link of this on description below. So let's open Balena Etcher. Okay, to here actually we need to select the image. I kept it in a downloads, and it's in a Kali Linux image. I use .xl open, and we need to change this one to mask. This is okay. I already put my SD card on here on my computer. So let's continue this and flash it. It asks my password for authentication. And it's starting to flash. Now you can see we complete our flash. Now we take out the flash drive and